How to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing up. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Here we go. Now head towards the menu tab. After you land to the menu page, at the top you'll see this settings icon. Click on it. Now over here you're going to find different sections. Scroll down. Head towards the option of navigation bar. Click on it. Then click on the option of customize the bar. Now over here you will find the option of marketplace. Click on that drop down for it and then click on the option of pin. With that your problem will be fixed. Now you can find marketplace in the tab. If this solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is head back, go to the main page of settings, click on the option browser. Now click on clear for the option cookies and cache. Click on clear. Likewise, you can close your Facebook app, then open your app store. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Facebook and search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you will find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, close this. Now launch your Facebook app. Navigate to the menu page. Then scrolling down, you will find this option of help and support. Click on it. Scroll down, click on the option of report a problem. Scroll down, click on continue to report. Then click on include. Select the option of marketplace. Now over here you have to explain about the issue that marketplace is not showing up in your Facebook account. After you describe about your issue in the detail, you can send it. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. Well, this is how you can easily fix Facebook Marketplace not showing up. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.